To fix my Instagram account not showing on search. So first of all you have to open your Instagram app. Then you have to click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you have to click on these three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Then you will have an interface like this, and over here you have to scroll down a little bit, and then you will find an option called messages and story replies. So first of all you have to click on it, and then you will find option called messages request, and now you have to click on this message request option, and now you will have an interface like this, and here you will find option called who can add you to group chat. So now you have to click on it, and then if you tick on this option only people you follow on Instagram, if you tick on this option, so then you have to tick on this option and then go back, and if your account is private, so you have to turn your account into public account, and after that your problem will be solved and your account will be appear in search. So that is how you can solve this problem. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.